So I am going to make this my top. So you want to make sure that you're putting in on a platform that doesn't have anything that can scratch this, including crumbs or anything like this. So I have chosen this side to be the top. So this one is, and I'll be using the T20 key. It looks like a star. And because it's a solid oak, it's a hard wood, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to use a soap right there, and I'm going to wrap the screwdriver in the soap. It will make the friction a little bit less, and you'll be able to get the job done a little bit easier. A couple of circles, and same thing over here. Now here comes a little bit more of an art in this particular exercise. You're going to be using your thumbs to line up the base. So one thumb on each side, so roughly that will make sure that you have equal base. And the same thing over here, just about one thumb. So as you line this up, now the key is to put it in without moving stuff apart. So first you're gonna start with one of the screwdrivers. So you have to hold. And here I would use this one, the top in. So you have to kind of connect. Once you connect it, now you are able to twist it. You can do the same thing again, just in case. Line it up, secure it, and you can start twisting while holding the base down. It will take some time, and if you used soap, it's going to be a little bit easier. So I have a connection. I did not tighten it all the way, so you can still twist. So now I can continue to do my line up right here. One finger on one thumb on each side. Do the same thing over here. And as you have done this, the way that I do it, I tighten this one and then the diagonal one. So I'm gonna hold the base, connect. So as soon as you find the grip, you have now secured the alignment. Now the base is more lined up because the opposite ends are there. And now it's an exercise of securing each side and then tighten this in a continuous circular motion. You'll have better leverage, and you have to start tightening in. So first you must secure that star connection. It must be all the way in, otherwise you will break the grip. So I'm gonna push it in, and now rotating. So that ensures that I don't break the grip. How do you check if this is okay? You want to make sure there is no line over here. So it needs to be as tight as possible. So we may have to put a little bit more of an effort on this one. This side is better, so it's much tighter. So we're just going to flip it again and work on the side that requires a little bit more tightening. This one may half a circle in it. And there's no more air. Now we have a chair that will serve for a long time as the chair of evolutionary trans-gravitational mobilization. So it's time for a loader.